Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn standard ninth lesson number 1.5, the necklace. So this is the first part of this lesson. So let's start. Matilda was a pretty and charming girl born as if by an error of fate into a family of clerks. So Matilda is a girl. She was very pretty and charming. She born in a clerk family. She had no means of becoming known, understood, love, or be wedded to an aristocrat. So she want to be wedded with an aristocrat. Aristocrat means a rich person, and so she let herself be married to a minor officer. So because of she is not much rich, so that's why she have to married with a minor official. Minor official is just a simple or a minor person at a ministry of education. She dressed plainly because she had never been able to afford anything better. So always she dressed plainly because she did not afford the better dress. Okay, she suffered endlessly, feeling she was entitled to all the luxuries of life. So she suffered endlessly, and she feel that the I she feel that wish uh, she has a all luxurious. She suffered because of her shabby, poorly furnished house. So she always suffered of her poorly furnished house. She always shabby. All these things that another woman of her class would not even have noticed, but only she noticed all these things about furnished home or at all. Okay, but another woman of this class of her class did not notice these things or furnished house at all. She dreamed of uh, sorry woman of her class noticed, tormented her and made her resentful. सो वो हमेशा खुद को टॉर्मेंटेड करती रहती थी, सताती थी, एंड हर मेड हर रिसेंट, एंड इससे वो बहुत दुखी भी होती थी, ultimate एंग्री भी होती थी. शी ड्रीम ऑफ अ ग्रैंड पैलेटाइल मेंशन. सो ऑलवेज शी ड्रीम अबाउट ग्रैंड एंड पैलेटाइल मेंशन. तो बहुत बड़ा हाउस विथ वास्ट रूम एंड इन्वाइटिंग स्मॉलर रूम, perform with afternoon chats with close friends. So she always dream about it. Yet she had no rich dress, no jewels, nothing. And also she had no rich dress and no jewels, nothing else. And these were the only things she loved. And these are the only things that she loved. She wanted to they wanted so much to charm. She wanted so much to invite, to be sought after. All right, but she had a rich friend, and also she had a rich friend, a former schoolmate at a convent. So from a convent, she had a rich friend whom she avoided to visit, but she avoided to visit her because afterwards she would weep and regret, despair, and misery. Because after visiting of her, she become a weep, regret, despair, and misery. That's why she avoided to meet her. Once evening, her husband came home. So once evening, her husband came home with an air of triumph, holding a large envelope in his hand. So his hand a large envelope and said, look, dekho. He said, here is something for you. And he said to her, "Hmm, here is something for you." So she tore open, so उसने वो फाड़ा and opened the paper and drew out a card. So in the envelope there was a card on which was printed the word, and there were a printed word. And what was the word? The Minister of Education, and the here the MME means Madame. Okay, Madame George's. Okay, Madame George Ramponia request a pleasure at here the mistress and the Madame. मिस्टर जैसे कि हम इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं मैडम, उस तरह या द madami. Okay. Loisel company at a ministry on the evening of Monday, January 18. So there is an invitation. Okay. Instead of being delight, so happy होने की जगह, as her husband had hope. So husband hoped that she will happy. Okay. And she threw the invitation. So threw the invitation on the table resentfully, and muttered. Mutters means say something. And what did he say? She said that, what do you want to me do with that? So she said that, what do you want to do me with that? And what do you expect me to wear if I go? अगर मुझे जाना हो तो मैं क्या पहनूंगी? So she thought like this. He hadn't thought of that. So उसने ये कब सोचा नहीं था, right? He stammered. So little bit of shock. Why the dress you? So here, why the dress you go to the theater in? It seemed very nice to me. So वो कह रहा था, तुम वो ड्रेस क्यों नहीं पहनती जो हमेशा तुम थिएटर में पहनती हो, right? It seemed very nice to me. He stopped and turned, dressed to see his wife crying. So then he stopped because his wife suddenly cried, right? This cried. That's why he stopped and turned, and distress also, right? Shock हो गया था to see his wife crying. He shuddered, and he said also, "What's the matter?" Right? What's the matter? Let's see, Mathilde. He tried to understood her. Let's see, Mathilde. How much would a suitable dress cost? So how much would a suitable dress cost? So कितने पैसे चाहिए होंगे ड्रेस खरीदने के लिए? So he asked to her. Okay students, so this is the first part of this lesson. All right.